Certainly, our team is made up of those that remember the 70s with fondness. The dominance of disco music, other world-shaping events like Watergate to Vietnam, and the beginning of the Star Wars empire. Our client was not even a twinkle in their parents' eye in this decade. But not to be deterred, they sought us out to find a solution for their remote 1970s home. It arrived in bits for us to create the part using our 3D print solution. And we got the best one. Oh, the magic of sticky tape. Thankfully, I'm good at jigsaw puzzles. We pieced it together, bit by bit, enabling us to measure it. CAD work done, prototype created, and sent off for trial. Success even with an image for confirmation of installation. Part created, listing is live, ready for the customer to purchase more. We didn't have a connection, but now we do. Our newly created fly screen clips go with these. Our handle solution, SKU 13204, also 3D printed. Our roller solution, SKU 6084 plus SKU 6097, our solution for the skid roller. Needing a solution for your windows and doors? Send us an image of what you are chasing and the Mr. Windows team will do the rest. Remember, any images need to be in JPEG or PDF format. Once you send us an image, our system automatically acknowledges and sends you an auto response with your ticket number, so you can feel confident that the team has your request and will get onto it as soon as possible. Want more information on what we're doing? Follow us on socials.
Subscribe to stay connected.